Manufacturing nitric acid by Ostwald process. عمل الطالب حسن أنيس طالب الرابع ألف، المشرف على الأستاذ على الطريحي. Production program مثل ما ظاهر أمامكم، هذا مخطط يوضح لنا شلون يصير هاي العملية. المقدمة، هو بالبداية شنو هو النيتريك أسيد؟ What is nitric acid? It's a colorless liquid that is used in the manufacture of inorganic and organic nitrates and nitro compounds for fertilizers, dye intermediates, explosives, and many different organic chemicals. Nitric acid is most commonly manufactured by Ostwald processes. The steps involved in Ostwald processes converts ammonia to nitric acid and involves in two steps. In step 1, ammonia is oxidized to form nitric oxide and also nitrogen dioxide. Then in step 2, the nitrogen dioxide that was formed is absorbed in water. This transforms nitric acid. The Ostwald processes has many well-known uses in both the industrial and health field through the Ostwald processes. Nitric acid is commonly used in fertilizers and because of its chemical reaction with some compounds, it's used in rocket fuel and explosives like TNT. Step 1, Ostwald processes. Step 1, primary oxidation, formation of nitric acid. Oxidation of ammonia is carried out in catalyst chamber in which 1 part of ammonia and 8 parts of oxygen by volume are introduced. The temperature of chamber is about 600 Celsius. This chamber contains a platinum gauze which serves as catalyst. Oxidation of ammonia is reversible and exothermic processes. Therefore, according to Le-Catherell's principle, a decrease in temperature favors reaction in forward direction. In primary oxidation, 95% of ammonia is converted into nitric acid, and as in the following reaction that appear to you guys. Step 2, Ostwald processes. Step 2, secondary oxidation, formation of nitrogen dioxide. Nitric oxide gas obtained by the oxidation of ammonia is very hot. In order to reduce its temperature, it's passed through a heat exchanger where the temperature of nitric oxide is reduced to 150 degrees Celsius. Nitric oxide, after cooling, is transferred to another oxidizing tower where it's about 50 degrees Celsius. Its oxidation to nitrogen dioxide NO2. Step 3, Ostwald processes is observation of NO2, formation of HNO3. Nitrogen dioxide from secondary oxidation chamber is introduced into a special observation tower. NO2 gas passed through the tower and water is showered over it. By the observation, nitric acid is obtained. By the following reaction appear to you. Nitric acid so obtained is very dilute, is very recycled in observation tower so that more and more NO2 get absorbed. HNO3 after recycles become about 86% concentrated. Step 4, concentration. In order to increase concentration of HNO3, vapors of HNO3 are passed over concentrated H2SO4 being dehydrated agent. H2SO4 absorbs water from HNO3 and concentrated HNO3 is obtained. Reference links are appears to you guys, and this is the end of this presentation. I hope you will like it.